How to choose pest control companies. Assuming that you have verified the type of pest control company that you require, i.e. ants, cockroaches, fleas, ticks, termites or rodents, for example, you can choose a pest control company based on a few simple guideposts. To avoid disputes and poor service later, find out in advance how willing a company is to answer your questions, provide the services you require and get the job done right. Things you will need. Chemical treatment list. Contract. Ask if chemical products will be used in the home and what equipment is required during the pest control process. Decide if you have a high tolerance for chemicals or if you are indifferent. Not all chemicals are safe for children and pets and must be investigated for their role in causing allergies and sensitivities. Speak with a physician to learn about potential risks from active ingredients used in the chemical treatment that will be used in your home. Decide if you require additional services. Ask if the pest control company can repair window screens and caulk cracks. Charges may apply, which can prevent ants, rodents and other pests from entering the home later. If convenience is your goal, choose a pest control company that offers this type of one-stop shopping. Ask about follow-up applications. Decide if you require monthly, quarterly or yearly pest control. If you do not require regular visits, review the contract to determine if you can contact the pest control company when necessary and not be subject to scheduled visits. Monthly service, for example, can result in expensive fees for chemical treatments that may not be necessary if the pest problem has not returned. Evaluate the pest control company's satisfaction policy. Ask if the pest control will guarantee on-time service, provide cleanup services, if necessary, and agree to settle disputes within a specified period of time. Pay attention to the terms of your contract and evaluate how well the company can answer your questions satisfactorily. Tips. Warnings. Choose a licensed pest control company with a certified operator. Price is not an indicator of service quality, so interview potential pest control companies and base your decision on the information you receive.